Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the 2025 Massey Ferguson 240 tractor. This model is a classic combination of reliability, performance, and affordability, making it a popular choice among farmers and agricultural workers worldwide. Whether you're looking for a durable machine for small-scale farming or an efficient tractor for a variety of fieldwork, the Massey Ferguson 240 stands out as a top contender. Let's break down what makes this tractor such a valuable asset. The Massey Ferguson 240 comes equipped with a powerful and fuel-efficient engine. This two-wheel drive tractor is powered by a 2.5-liter, 3-cylinder diesel engine, delivering around 50 horsepower. This makes it ideal for a range of agricultural tasks, from plowing and planting to towing and transportation. The engine is designed to provide excellent torque and reliability, ensuring it performs well even under heavy loads or challenging conditions. It also features robust construction and modern technology, making it a long-lasting machine with low maintenance requirements. One of the standout features of the Massey Ferguson 240 is its ease of operation. The simple and ergonomic design ensures that even beginners can handle the tractor without much difficulty. The steering system is smooth and responsive, allowing for precise maneuverability in tight spaces or uneven terrains. The operator's seat is comfortable and adjustable, reducing fatigue during long hours of work. The dashboard is equipped with essential gauges and indicators, providing real-time information about the tractor's performance. In terms of transmission, the Massey Ferguson 240 features an efficient gearbox that offers multiple forward and reverse speeds. This allows the tractor to adapt to different tasks and terrains with ease. Whether you need to operate at a slow pace for precision work or move quickly between fields, this tractor has you covered. The gear system is smooth and durable, ensuring a seamless experience for the operator. The Massey Ferguson 240 also shines when it comes to fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, having a tractor that optimizes fuel consumption is a major advantage. This model is designed to deliver maximum performance while using minimal fuel, making it an economical choice for farmers. The fuel tank capacity is sufficient to handle extended hours of operation without frequent refueling, further enhancing its convenience and efficiency. Another important aspect of the Massey Ferguson 240 is its versatility. It is compatible with a wide range of implements and attachments, such as plows, harrows, seeders, and trailers. This makes it a multifunctional machine capable of handling various agricultural tasks throughout the year. The sturdy build and reliable hydraulics ensure that it can handle heavy-duty equipment without compromising performance. Durability is another key highlight of the Massey Ferguson 240. Built with high-quality materials and a rugged design, this tractor is engineered to withstand tough working conditions. Whether you're dealing with rocky terrain, muddy fields, or extreme weather, you can count on the Massey Ferguson 240 to get the job done. Its low-maintenance design and availability of spare parts make it a practical and cost-effective option for long-term use. Safety is also a priority in the design of this tractor. It comes with a reliable braking system and good stability, ensuring the operator stays in control at all times. The rollover protection structure (ROPS) and optional canopy provide additional safety and comfort for the user, especially during extended periods of operation. The Massey Ferguson 240 is not just about performance and durability, it's also about value. For money, this tractor is competitively priced, making it accessible to small and medium-scale farmers. Its low operating and maintenance costs further contribute to its affordability, making it a wise investment for those looking to enhance their agricultural productivity. To sum up, the 2025 Massey Ferguson 240 is a reliable and versatile tractor that offers excellent performance, fuel efficiency, and durability. It's a perfect choice for farmers who need a dependable machine for a variety of tasks without breaking the bank. If you're considering upgrading your farming equipment or adding a new tractor to your fleet, the Massey Ferguson 240 is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and reviews on agricultural machinery. Let us know your thoughts about the Massey Ferguson 240 in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.